And 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 civil danger warning. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Parish County Sheriff's Department. As of 3 a.m., it has been discovered that demons of all sizes are terrorizing the residents of Parish County. Please do not go to sleep. If you know anyone who is currently sleeping, wake them up now. I repeat, wake them up now. If you sleep during this crisis, you will die. Demons have been known to haunt people through their dreams. And they are now haunting people who are completely awake. Do not do a 3 a.m. challenge. I repeat, do not do a 3 a.m. challenge. Demons of all shapes and sizes are now terrorizing the population. It has been discovered that these demons come from Bloody Mary, Suchi Aura, the Devil's Hide and Seek, the Dead Man's Hide and Seek, the Ouija board, and Charlie Charlie. However, it has been noted that there is no actual demon named Charlie. So, where does Charlie Charlie come from? Well, Charlie Charlie is an urban legend, believe it or not. They have been determining that the Midnight Man is also on the loose. Do not do a 3 a.m. challenge. It has been last seen that Tiki Toby was seen terrorizing the population as well as other creepypasta characters. Please do not summon demons at 3 a.m. It is extremely dangerous. We'll keep you updated as time goes by. And civil danger warning. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Parish County Sheriff's Department. Civil danger warning. Please listen carefully as the following instructions are vital for your safety. At this time, please turn off all the lights in your home. Gather into one room far back away from all entrances. Sit in a circle if you have to. Hold hands if you have to. Make it seem as if you are not home. Should anything come to your hiding place and ask to be let in, do not let them in. Should one of your family members go missing, do not attempt to search for them, as they are no longer your family members. Should anyone you know go missing from your group, do not attempt to search for them, as they are no longer the people you know. Should anyone knock on your door and ask to be let in, do not let them in, and do not make a single sound. Even a sound as small as snoring while sleeping can summon demons. Try your best to stay awake, and this hour will haunt us all. Ink, ink, ink. And administrative message. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Parish County Sheriff's Department. All clear. the demons in Parish County have been extinguished of, and may God have mercy on us all. You may now go to sleep as the danger has passed. Thank you for your cooperation. This is an all-clear message. Eh, eh, eh. And civil danger warning. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Camera government. This is a civil danger warning. At 4 a.m., at 3 a.m., Una Standard Time, demons were seen terrorizing the residents of Parish County. At 4 a.m., the Parish County Sheriff's Department gave the all-clear signal, and now it appears that the entire population of Parish County has vanished. We believe that these demons must have returned. Hostile demons were seen terrorizing the residents of Parish County in the night. And we believe that the hostile demons must have returned. Please stay awake and take the following precautions before you go to sleep. Barricade all entrances to your home. Put salt and holy water down at every door in your house. Leave religious candles burning all night. Sleep with a Bible under your pillow. And always say prayers before you go to sleep. And always keep a crucifix in your room. Please carry out these orders until further notified. Eat.